Hello everyone, welcome to part 38 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners. And in this video, we are going to create the delete item API to delete the product from the shopping cart of the user. Okay, so like the user added the products, we have seen that the user added two of the products in the shopping cart in his shopping cart. Okay, now he wants to delete one of the item from the shopping cart. Okay, so we are going to create the delete card item API so that the user can able to call that API to delete the items. Okay, so we are going to create this API, and first of all we will modify in api.php. We are going to create the route for this API. Okay, so here we are going to create its route like delete card item API. Okay, so we will create the get route. Okay, simple get route. Okay, so this is the basic React app that we are creating so that any beginner can able to create this kind of APIs and able to work on the React app. Okay, this is the simplest React app. In the next version we will do the advanced React app, in which we will make the app much secure with the advanced code. Okay, so here we will simply add delete hyphen item. Okay, delete link, delete or we can add here delete card item, delete hyphen card hyphen item, delete card item with the card ID, and we are going to create its function inside API controller, and we will name it like delete card item like this. Okay, so this function we are going to create inside API controller. Okay, so let's create this function inside the API controller. So here we are going to create after card function, we are going to create this function public function delete card item, and here the card ID will come up. Okay, uh, the user that deletes the card, that card item, so we need to send that card item, particular card item, like see every product is having the card item. Here you can see the in the cards table, this is the card ID. Okay, card item ID. So this ID, I'm talking about this ID. Okay, so this is the ID that we are going to send with the delete card item. Okay, so once the user will click on this close icon, so we will come to know from this ID that which card item to remove. Okay, like this product is having this 13 ID, so we can able to delete this item from the card. Okay, so this product will get deleted. So that is the thing. Okay, so see card ID here. So on the basis of this card we will straight away card. Okay, so see here, see every product that is added in the card is located in the cards table. First of all, remember this thing: the product that you are checking here is must be exist in this cards table. Only then you able to see those products here. Okay, so you can straight away delete that product from the card model, from the card table indirectly. Okay, like ID, you are going to check with the ID, and this from the card ID you can able to delete this product. Okay, like this you can simply delete the product from the card. Okay, after that you will just simply send the response here. So see, some of the user may think that what if the item does not exist in card. It will never happen, because otherwise this item will not be shown here. Okay, so every item that is located in the card is having the card ID, so only then it's located here. Okay, so that's why I have not made it secure. Otherwise I will first check from the in the cards table, will check its count in if condition. After that I will show the error, like I will return the error this card item does not exist. Okay, like this, but it is not required at all, because that case will never come. Okay, so that's why I have straight away just simply delete the card item from the cards table. So after deleting the card item, here we will simply send the status as true with the success message. Message we are going to send here, see status at true with the message like product successfully deleted from cart. Okay, so yeah, and also we will return the 200 successful. Okay, it means that everything is fine. Okay, so we are going to check this API. We can simply run this API either in our browser, or we can also check in Visual Studio. Here as well we have having the Thunder client. Here we can simply run this API. Like to run this API, we just require to add first of all this one API, and after that that link delete card item, delete card item. After that the item ID. So item ID we are going to pass here like the 13. I'm going to pass here the 13, here 13. So I'm going to run this one. You can see in the cards table there are two items are here, 13 and 14. I'm going to run this one. Let's see. It must delete and return the response as success. Let's see. I will click on send, and here you can see the product successfully deleted from cart. Success status 200. Okay, so the success response is coming, and here I'm going to browse this one and we'll see the 13 item product is gone away from the cards table. So we are also going to refresh this one, then see one of the product removed and blue product is there, but red product is removed because we have deleted the red product from the cards table. Okay, so out of two products just one product is left in card. We able to delete the product from the delete card API. Okay, so you can do this at your end, and in the next video we are going to call this API. We are going to create the another component to delete for working on this delete card item. We are going to create another component in which we are going to delete the card item, and then we'll redirect the user back to the card page. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in the next video. And one thing I want to tell you, that you can get this complete reactjs code, complete react app, complete app code, that e-commerce app code. You can get this basic e-commerce app code just by becoming a member, just by paying small amount. And for that you just require to open the YouTube stack developers channel. Okay, and see, open this channel youtube.com stack developers, and you can always subscribe the channel to get all the updates, all the Laravel as well as the reactjs updates. And you can always join the channel by paying small amount. You can able to get the complete source code. Okay, so that thing you can do anytime, and if in case you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.